Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Hollow Knight Silksong random freezes and crashes during gameplay. Okay, I'm going to show you for both Steam and Xbox, so try not to skip any steps. The first thing you want to do is free up some resources. Make sure you have 20 plus gigabytes free on the install drive. Low space causes freezes. So free up some resources and reboot your PC to see if that fixes a game. The next thing you want to do is verify the integrity of game files. So how do you do that? On Xbox Game app, you right click on it, go to manage, go to files and click on verify and repair. Takes a couple of minutes. Now if you're on Steam, same thing, find the game in your library, right click on properties, click on installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. Okay, now let's move on to step number 3. Update your graphics drivers, of course. Outdated drivers are often a freeze culprit. The next thing you want to do is also make sure your Windows is up to date. This game will actually not run at all, or run very well I should say, if your Windows is the Windows version is too old. So type in settings in the search bar. On the left hand side you're going to see something called Windows Update. You want to click on check for updates and then download and install any updates and see if that fixes the problem. The next thing you want to do, disable overlays and overclocking. So if you have overlays on Discord, Steam, Nvidia, you want to turn them all off. And if your PC is overclocked or your GPU is overclocked, I recommend you to turn that off. The next thing you want to do is cap the frame rate. So how do you do that? Let me show you now. So boot up the game, click on options, click on video, click on frame rate cap, and you want to set this to 60. This stabilizes the gameplay on high refresh setups, and click back and okay. That is it. That should have fixed the problem. If it did, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.